Hello students, here is the question. A hard substance, it melts at a higher temperature and is insulated in both solid and in molten state. The solid is most likely to be. So if we look, in order to identify this hard substance, there are two hints given to us, that it melts at a higher temperature and it is an insulator in both solid and in molten state. So over here, if we look at the easiest one, that the insulator, we know that if a substance is an insulator, it cannot be a metallic or an ionic solid or in both solid and molten phases, because metallic will definitely be a conductor in molten or solid phases, and similarly ionic solids will be. And the second hint is that they melt at a higher temperature. If it is a molecular solid, then the melting point cannot be higher, as a molecular solid will have a melting point much lower than the one that is told in this criteria. So the only solid remains is the covalent solid. Thank you.